Okay, this is our group system thinking and concept. Next page. The first aspect is script. During the course of the project, the script of the project gradually expensive changes, and these changes are not properly approved. Scope creep may include new features, tasks, and requirements that may cause project delays, cost increases, and deviation from the original project goals. Script creep can be caused by additional customer requirements, definition, poor communication, poor change management. For project management, effective control and management of scope is one of the key factors to ensure that the project is on schedule. Next page. We can see that from the local diagram, I think changes in system inputs as additional features and requirements increase has amplifying effect, causing the system to strengthen or grow in one direction. As a result, the system becomes undateable and uncertain factor increase and go to extremes. So it is a positive circle. Next page. What this graph shows is as the scope expand, the development team may need to more resources, including additional development personnel, testers, and project manager to meet expanding needs. Next page it is upwards that the increase of factor leads to the increase of the uncertainty in the whole circle. So this is basically a positive circle by definition. Next table.
Okay, all right. My part is code reviewer process, and let's discuss what is code reviewer process. And I think it's some programmers and they are discuss the program, some code is good or bad, and they can change it to make it better and use it in the program, make the program better to make a good effect. So code reviewer process aim is to improve the quality and the effect of the code. Improvement and correction before it's used will amplify the effect. So it's a positive feedback loop. And the next is bug detection and correction. Think what this. During the reviewer, any bugs, design flaws, or coding errors are detected and corrected. This proactive approach prevents issue from proliferating in the project. I think bug detection and correction is undoubtedly a negative feedback loop. It's the program's error correction before using the code. It's before the using the code. So and it will reduce the bad effects. So this is a negative feedback loop. So that's people.
Okay, let's turn to the part 5, increased complexity. Adding more features and resources often increases the complexity of the project. Developers may need maintenance code quality assistance, which makes managing project timelines more challenging. This is a negative feedback loop. In this case, as more features and resources are added to the project, complexity increases, which requires developers to invest more time and effort in maintaining code quality, make it more challenging to manage the project timeline. In this case, the increased complexity leads to the need for more maintenance work, which in turn limits further complexity of the project, creating a negative feedback loop. The goal of a negative feedback loop is to maintain the stability of the system and prevent over-replication. In this example, the negative feedback loop prevents an infinite increase in project complexity and keeps the project manageable. And the six, delays and the budget overruns. As the projects become more complex and demanding, it is common to experience delays and budget overruns. These setbacks can lead to further scope adjustments or even project cancellation. This is a negative feedback loop. In this example, it's common to experience delays and budget overruns as projects become more complex and demanding. These setbacks can lead to further scope adjustments or even project cancellation. In this case, the complexity of the project leads to delay and budget overruns, which in turn limit further complexity of the project, creating a negative feedback loop. The goal of a negative feedback loop is to maintain the stability of the system and prevent overreplication. In this example, the negative feedback loop prevents an infinite increase in project complexity and keeps the project manageable.
Okay, the seventh case is improved code quality. Next page. And this scene expresses a negative feedback loop, and its rationality is as follows. When we find errors during the code review process, we correct and improve them, ensuring that the quality of the code continues to be of high quality in a timely manner, thereby reducing errors in the software and improving its quality. Next page. And the eighth case is project efficiency. Next page. And we can see that this scene expresses a negative feedback loop, and its rationality is as follows. When some errors that affect inefficiency occur in the team, the team can reduce the occurrence of these problems through timely improvement and adjustments so that the errors are reduced. Therefore, when the next failure is encountered, there is less time to troubleshoot the cause of the failure, and the developers can spend more time developing new features to make the entire development system more complete.
The ninth one is customer satisfaction. Next page. So this thing expressed a negative feedback loop, and its rationality is as follows. This is reflected in the fact that when some products have problems, developers maintain the software in a high quality state with fewer defects through timely repairs. In this case, the high quality of the software will improve customer satisfaction, thereby leading to promotion and get more reputation. Thank you for listening. This is our group member.